Everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to use Expedia OneKey loyalty program. So to use the Expedia OneKey loyalty program, you can start by signing into your account on Expedia. Now once you sign in your account on Expedia, just open your account and then track trip elements and earn rewards. Members can earn 2% in OneKeyCash in eligible hotels, vacation rentals, activities packages, and car rental, and 0.2% on flights. Now, during checkout and pay now bookings, select Use OneKeyCash to apply your balance. OneKeyCash can be used in US dollar, pay now bookings, and select vacation rentals. Now, to use OneKeyCash on flights, you must have enough to cover the entire cost, including taxes and fees. And now, accumulate trip elements. For example, hotel nights, flight legs, car rental days to reach higher tiers, which includes silver, gold, platinum, for better perks like discounts of 20% or more on hotels. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video helped you. See you in my next one.